A gene is the basic physical and functional unit of heredity. Genes, which are made up of DNA, act as instructions to make molecules called proteins. In human, in human genes vary in size from a few hundred DNA bases to more than 2 million bases. RNA, ribose nucleic acid, it is a polymeric molecule implicated in various biological roles, including decoding, regulation, and expression of genes. RNA and DNA are nucleic acids, and along with proteins and carbohydrates, constitute the four major macromolecules essential for all known form of life. Growth factor. A growth factor is a naturally occurring substances capable of stimulating cellular growth, proliferation, healing, and cellular differentiation. Usually, it is a protein or steroid hormones. Growth factors are important for regulating a variety of cellular processes. Now, gene, the diagram, it is a diagram of the gene. There are two things. One is the chromosomes. Genes are attached on the chromosomes. Gene, now cell. All the living things are composed of cell. A single cell is the smallest unit that has all the characteristics of life. Cell is defined as the structural and functional unit of the living body. General characteristics of cell. Each cell in the body needs nutrition and oxygen, produces its own energy necessary for its growth, repair, and other activities, eliminates carbon dioxide and other metabolic wastes. Now, this is the structure of cell. See, in this structure of cell, all the organelles which are suspended in the cytoplasm, such as nucleus, then endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, mitochondria, cell membrane, microfilament, microtubules, cytoplasm, dendrioles, nucleolus, and Golgi apparatus. Secretory vesicle. So we will study about one by one that we have already studied in the +2 science. So now we have to understand all these structures, organelles of the cell, or we can say this is the animal cell. Each cell in the body maintains the medium and environment for its survival, shows immediate response to the entirety, to the entry of invaders like bacteria and toxic substances into the body, reproduces by division. There are some exceptions like neurons which do not reproduce. Neurons do not reproduce. Now tissues. So we can define the tissue as a group of cells having similar functions. There are many types of tissues in the body. All the tissues are classified into four major types, which are called the primary tissues. The primary tissues include number one, muscle tissue like skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. Second, nervous tissue, neurons and supporting cells. Third, epithelial tissue, squamous, columnar, and cuboidal epithelial cells. Fourth, connective tissue proper, cartilages, bone, and blood. Organ. An organ is defined as the structure that is formed by two or more primary tissues, type of tissues, which excavate the function of the organ. Some organs are composed of all the four types of the primary tissues. The organs are of two types, namely tubular or hollow organ and compact or parenchymal organs. Some of the organs in the body are brain, heart, lungs, stomach, intestine, liver, gallbladder, pancreas, kidneys, endocrine glands. The organs system is defined as a group of organs that work together to carry out the specific function of the body. And each system performs a specific function. Digestive system is concerned with digestion of food particles. Excretory system eliminates unwanted substances. Cardiovascular system is responsible to transport of substances between the organs. Respiratory system is concerned with the supply of the oxygen and removal of the carbon dioxide. The reproductive system is involved in the reproduction of species. Endocrine system is concerned with growth of the body and regulation and maintenance of the normal life. Musculoskeletal system is responsible for stability and movement of the body. Nervous system controls the locomotion, and other activities include the intellectual function. Now, structure of the cell. Each cell is formed by a cell body and a membrane. Covering of the cell body is called cell membrane. Cell body has two parts, namely nucleus and cytoplasm, surrounding the nucleus. Thus, the structure of the cell is studied under three headings: cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. Cell membrane is protective smooth sheath enveloping the cell body. and it is also known as plasma membrane or plasma lemma. This membrane separates the fluid outside the cell called extracellular fluid and fluid inside the cell called intracellular fluid. The cell membrane is a semi-permeable membrane so that free exchange of the certain substances between extracellular fluid and intracellular fluids and thickness of the cell membrane varies from 75 to 111 angstrom. Unit of length used chiefly in measuring wavelength of light equal to 10 is to minus 10 meter or 1.0.1 nanometer, and it is named of fourth by 19th century Swadeshi physicist Andron John Angstrom. On the basis of that, scientist Angstrom is there. Composition of cell membrane. Cell membrane is composed of three types of substances: protein 55%, lipids 40%, and carbohydrate 5%. Now, structure of cell membrane. On the basic, on the basis of structure, cell membrane is called unit membrane or a before the emergence of the electron microscopy in the year 1950. Scientists and researchers did not know how the structure of the cell membrane looked like or what composed made up as a cell membrane. Three layers membrane. The electron microscopic study reveals three layers of the cell membrane, namely one central electron lucent layer and two electrons dense layer. The two electrons dense layer are placed one on either side of the central layer. The central layer is a lipid layer formed by lipids substances. The other two layers are proteins layers formed by proteins. Cell membrane contains some carbohydrate molecules also.